Have you ever heard of the Fiat 124, a car that became more than just a mode of transport? In the 1960s, during Italy's technological revolution, Fiat created the 124, a vehicle that went beyond expectations. With sleek design and advanced features like free-revving engines and sophisticated suspension, it became a symbol of Italy's innovation. Fiat's decision to make the 124 more than necessary paid off. It sold 20 million units and even collaborated with communists to produce 14 million more 124-based Ladas. This unexpected partnership expanded the car's influence globally, transcending political boundaries. The Fiat 124 story isn't complete without the legendary Spider, a convertible that captured hearts with its elegant yet sporty design. As years passed, Fiat adapted to the changing automotive landscape while retaining its essence. It became more than a car. It became a cultural touchstone, symbolizing Italy's ingenuity and resilience. The saying, "When Fiat trembles, Italy trembles," took on new meaning as the Fiat 124 stood as a beacon of strength and innovation. Selling 20 million cars wasn't just a numerical achievement. It created a legacy, a testament to Italy's spirit and the human drive for progress.